Portable USB charger is an advanced rechargeable battery that gives your mobile devices extra hours of power when you need it. Duracell, power anytime, anywhere.
What's he looking for?
I think he's looking for savings. I can't watch this anymore. John, there's an easier way. We compare your Progressive Direct rate to other top companies so you get a great price. No more running around. Wouldn't you love to see the world through his eyes?
I bet I look like the strongest man in the world.
Find a great deal. Now that's Progressive. Call or click.
This is not a chat. This is the message contest. And now what is the following is the Cody potatoes. Now the following is the following. This is 10. We talk to for you. Now the following come you done when the following sorry for you. Doctor here. John, baby, you fan need the 40 for you. It's also 40 for you. A message contest. Veneno, this is another chat.
Mike, ¿has llamado tú? Oh. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Eres idiota o qué? Pedito malo. Malo.